People who get really good at anything just keep reproducing the experience over and over again consciously. And they do it so many times that it becomes subconscious. And the repetition of any action will neurochemically condition your mind and body to begin to work as one. And when you've done something so many times that your body now knows how to do it better than your conscious mind, you've mastered that knowledge. It's a state of being. You know how you do it, but you don't know how you know how any longer. It's automatic. It's natural. It's easy. It's innate in you. You've become it.